One of the assignments you'll be completing for CSC 102 is a Microsoft OneDrive assignment. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage software which will allow you to upload your files and manage them on the internet. This can be done through their website, or you can download software on your computer that will automatically sync specific folders from your computer to the internet automatically. To access Microsoft OneDrive, first you will need to log into your HCC email account. From there, you will click on the 9 dots in the top left-hand corner, where if you put your mouse over, it will say App Launcher. And from here, you will click on the OneDrive button. Once you're in OneDrive, you will see over here on the right, we have a Files location. On the left, we have your name and some other options. My files, recent, shared, recycling bins, kind of your most used area. At the top of the bar, we have New, Upload, Sync, and Flow. For our purposes of this assignment, we'll be using the New button to create a new folder for this class, so CSC 102. And then soon you'll see, there we go, we got our new folder created. If you click on their folder, it will take you inside of that. And then you will also be needing to make a new file. We have a Word or an Excel. If you do a new Word file, it'll open up a new window. Now that this is loaded, you'll notice this looks a lot like traditional Microsoft Office. This is not exactly the same. There are some slight differences, some configurations are different, some options are not there. So make sure when you're doing your normal homework assignments that you complete them in traditional Office installed on your computer, not in the web version. If we click on where it says Document at the top, that will allow us to rename this file. So I'm just going to name mine Test. And you will notice if we go back to our OneDrive tab that we now have a file called test.docx. We also can upload files, which you will be expected to do. Uploading, so in this case I'm going to pick the OneDrive instructions. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And you'll see that will upload the file, and once it's uploaded, it will show up right here above test, because it does things alphabetically right off the back. So you'll be uploading a few files into this folder. You'll be creating a new file or so. You also need to share this folder with me. At the top of the screen, we do have a share button since we are in the CSC 102 folder, so we could click that option, which will bring up the share screen. If you are in your main files folder and you highlight the CSC 102, you'll notice 3 dots appear just to the left of the modification date. If we click on that, the top option there will be share. Right off the bat, it says people you specify can edit. That is the default sharing system. That is great if somebody already has a Microsoft OneDrive account. For those who do not have a OneDrive account, make sure you change this to anyone with the link. Alright. Since I am not part of the HCC community, since HCC staff use a different email address than those of students, or different email system than those of the students, I am not part of the HCC community college. And since I don't have a OneDrive account associated with my HCC email address, specific people does not work either. So we need to use anyone with the link. Notice once we click on that, it actually gives us an expiration date of something about a month away, which is plenty for this assignment. We can go ahead and hit apply, and then as we start typing out, alright, notice that if I start typing, 3 options come up. The first one is my HCC one. The last one is my wife's HCC one. So make sure you select the correct GA bets. In this case, we're going to go with the @hagerstowncc.edu. Once you click that, you can go ahead and hit the send button, and I will get your email. Hopefully you start using the OneDrive system for your personal use. I believe as an HCC student, you have access to upload up to, I believe it's a terabyte of information, which is a great place to back up your photos, pictures, music, movies, Word, school documents, whatever it is. But it's a great place for a backup as long as you trust Microsoft OneDrive. Have a nice day.